Hello grade 10. In this video we will solve theorem 1.4. In this we have to prove that root of 2 is irrational number. You know very well root of 2 is irrational, but we have to prove that according to theorem. So this is contradiction. We will assume that root of 2 is rational. Opposite we will assume that in this question. Let us assume that contrary that root 2 is a rational number. Rational number you know that is which are in the form of a over b or p over q. So root of 2 को हमने रैशनल नंबर सपोज किया है. So root 2 is equal to a over b where a and b are co-prime that is जिनका HCF 1 होता है और जिसमें कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होते हैं. So root 2 is equal to a over b. So b को मैं दूसरी साइड ले जाता हूँ. root 2b is equal to a. So scaling both side. On scaling both side, what we are getting? Root 2 square is 2 and b square is b square. b का square होता है b square. 2b square is equal to a square. So from this equation, what we are getting? That is a square is divisible by 2. a square is divisible by 2. a square is divisible by 2. From this equation we are getting the point. So last जो आपके थ्योरम है इसी चैप्टर में, इफ़ यू विल गो थ्रू दैट वन थ्योरम 1.3 जो है, अगर किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर किसी से डिवाइड होता है तो वो नंबर भी उस नंबर से डिवाइड हो जाता है. दैट इज a इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 2. a स्क्वायर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. a इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पॉइंट. इसको हम फर्स्ट ले लेते हैं. If a is equal to 2c, let c is any integer. अगर a 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, c की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो, उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो वैल्यू भी a को डिवाइड करेगी. a is equal to 2c. So put this value in above equation. 2b square is equal to 2c का होल स्क्वायर. 2c का होल स्क्वायर. So what we are getting? 2b square is equal to, we have filled the value of a square. 2b square is equal to 4c square. 2 का स्क्वायर 4 होता है, c का स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर हो गया. 2 to the 4 मैंने कटिंग कर दी है यहाँ पे, you are watching. b square is equal to 2c square. So b square is equal to 2c square. What we are getting from this equation, that is b square is divisible by 2. b square is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. If b square is divisible by 2, then b is also divisible by 2. Also divisible by 2. This is our second equation. So, but by 1 and 2, what we are getting? That is a or b are not co-prime. a or b are not co-prime. Having common factor 2. रैशनल नंबर वो होते हैं जो a और b की फॉर्म में लिखे जा सकते हैं और जिनका कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होता है. बट हेयर a और b हैविंग कॉमन फैक्टर 2. So our assumption is wrong. So this contradiction is arisen by because of our incorrect or wrong assumption. So root of 2 is not a rational number. It's an irrational number. root of 2 is irrational number. Hence proved. Thank you, student.